Welcome to DEJAH'S Decor Delights. Today we are diving into the world of stunning bathroom designs that blend beauty and functionality. Whether you are planning a renovation or just looking for an inspiration, we have got you covered. Let's transform your bathroom into a personal oasis. Looking for something cozy? A rustic bathroom design can bring warmth and character. Elements like reclined wood, vintage fixtures, and warm hues create an inviting retreat. Imagine stepping into a spa every day. This bathroom features a luxurious freestanding tub that invites relaxation. Let's talk about smart technology. From smart mirrors that light up and displays information to automated showers, integrating tech into your bathroom can enhance your daily routine. Whether you prefer a spa-like retreat or a vibrant, colorful space, there are endless possibilities for bathroom design. Which one inspires you most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching.